Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see that how can we change the language of all Google products from our Gmail account. So in case you want to use the Google products such as Google Docs, Forms, Drive, YouTube or even Gmail in your own language, then how can you do that? All you need to do is open up your Gmail account, click on this cork icon that shows settings, go to see all settings. Wait for a few seconds till it is loading. Here make sure you are in the general tab of the settings. The second option that you will get is a language. So first option is the Gmail display language. If we change the language from here, only Gmail language would be changed, and for other products it would remain the same. So do not use this step. The step is a bit step further. Change language settings for other Google products is the link. You need to click on that. So it will take you to the language option of your Google account. From here you can set your preferred language. Right now this is English of the United States, that is your first preferred language. If you want to add additional languages, you can just click on add another language, and here you can just actually search for that language. So I'm searching for Hindi. Just select that language, click on select. So this is the second language that has been selected. Okay. Now if you want to make it your first preferred language, you can just click on this arrow and that would be your first preferred language, like this. Hindi was moved higher on the list and now all the translations have been gone to Hindi. If you want to do the same for English again, just click on this upper arrow, and then what will happen is your default language will again change to English. So higher the priority of the language, that is where you will see the text. If you want to remove any language, then you can just simply click on this trash icon, and that particular language would be removed from your list of languages. It would still be there in Google, but from your list it would be removed. If you want to re-add that language, again click on add another language. Make sure to search for that particular language here, and again you can add it by clicking on select. Right now I'm clicking on cancel because I don't want to add this language. Hindi I don't want to add. Next is this option, automatically add languages, which is toggled to on. So what it says that Google will automatically add languages that you frequently use in Google services. You might see content in these languages. You can permanently save or remove added languages at any time. So basically, let's say you want to you are using Google search or any of the Google services, let's say YouTube. You're watching a lot of Hindi videos, and in Google search also you are searching many of the Hindi terms. Then Google will recognize that thing and will automatically add Hindi to your list of languages. Do you want that, or do not want that? I do not want that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to disable this particular option. It would give me a dialog box that asks me to confirm this. Languages you frequently use will no longer be added. You can change this setting at any time. I'm fine with it and click on stop adding. So this will now happen that no matter in what language you are searching or using in any of the Google services, it won't be added to your list of preferred languages because this option is off. If you want to enable this option, just click on this icon and this option would be enabled. So it is actually a better way for Google to give you the content that you actually want in the language that you actually want. So changing this language actually changes the language of all the apps all around. So let us just see this also. Let us just try to add Hindi over here. Click on select, make it to the top of the list. Now if I just go to Google, let's just search for Google. Okay, a simple Google search for Google, and now you can see all the responses that I'm getting are in Hindi. Similarly, if I just select YouTube, let's just go to YouTube. Here also you can see that the text we are getting is in Hindi, like Sabhi, Gaming, Sangeet, Live. All the options we are getting in Hindi, all the information related to the videos we are getting in Hindi. So this is how we just change this language and how it impacts the services all around the services. If I again go to this language and make English as my first priority, then what happens? English is now my first priority. I go to Google, I refresh the page, it again goes back to English. I go to YouTube, I refresh the page, it goes back to English. Let's just wait for a few seconds till it is loading. Again, here you can see it is all in English. So that's how we change the language of all the Google services in one go. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.